Bravo team offloads here. Alpha team stays on board to land down range. Both teams meet in the middle. Remember, we want the Sun alive, but this is capture or kill. Keep up, so.
Razor 1, all Bravo deployed. Secondary HLT. All stations, Racer 1 is bracketed, we're getting lit. Incoming! Flares! Flares!
Shit. Hold up.
Second missile!
Oh, fuck!
Razor 1 going down! We're going down!
Alpha, what's your status? Alpha, how copy?
Bravo! Alpha is immobile. Multiple critical. Shit! We're taking effective fire!
Alpha, we're moving to building 1. Hold tight.
Ghost, we need to secure that crash site now.
First we clear First Sun. That takes the heat off Alpha. Then we secure the crash site. Clear?
Roger that.
Let's move.
Force up to the house.
You swing through!
First day clear. Negative on the sun.
Roger.
Contact! Building 2!
No, we're in.
Bravo, move on building 2. All stations, crash site is taking rocket fire from building 2. Second deck. Alpha, taking building 2 now. Hold fast.
Stay here, Sergeant.
Sergeant, second structure now.
7-1, moving interior. Moving to second deck.
هذا لا من ذلك. أكيد لازم كل واحد بيمر من هون. I'm hit! I'm hit!
There's one in the hallway.
Ghost, enemy rockets down.
Solid copy. Good work.
For a century of hostile acts against us. Together, we will avenge the death of General Kubrani. سوف ننتقم للقائد. If the world courts do not punish these war criminals, we will take matters in our own hands. Our choosing. الانتقام هو خيارنا الوحيد. We hold your soldiers and generals responsible for assassinating General Kubrani. الغرب.
Ghost, building 2 secure.
Roger. Time to hit the crash site.
You good, mate?
Yeah, plate stopped it. These are fuckers that hit Alpha.
Aye.
So, we're moving
Now we
to
can
the crash
secure the
site
crash
while
site.
we're wounded. Rest of you, Hold here and cover us. Raj. Alpha 02, Bravo 07, Building 2 secure. We're coming to you. Alpha copies all. Expect contact. AQ's waiting for us.
Blue, blue!
Damn good to see you guys. We got 5 KIA, 1 wounded. It's just my gun, and I'm low on ammo. Help me move him.
No time. They're here. Get your gun on that tree line.
Go movement.
Gate! Shooters at the wall! You called the LT. RPG!
Fuck! Get your gun up!
Actually down.
They're getting close. Right flank!
Grenade out!
Watch the rear!
Attacking!
We clear.
For now. Stay sharp on that tree line.
They're still moving out there.
7-6, call for fire. I want close air on that tree line.
Raj, calling it in.
Dig in, lads. We're not done yet.
07, CAS is 3 minutes out.
Roger that. Air support's inbound.
Hey, we got smoke in the tree line.
No visual.
Yeah, I don't see shit.
Incoming! Take cover!
They're launching grenades! Two-three's hit! Man down!
He's dead. Keep your gun in the fight.
Only a few left. Finish him!
Scratch one shooter.
Sorted that one. No movement. You good, Soap?
I'm good.
2-3 got hit. He's gone.
7-2, I need you up here now.
Raj, moving.
Ghost, we should fall back to the house.
Negative. We clear this position and push. If Hassan's still here, he's out ahead. 7-6, patch us through to air support.
Raj, stand by.
7 actual, Kilo 01. Fire is 1 mic out.
Kilo 01, you're cleared hot on anything forward of our position. Danger close approved.
Roger that.
Shit, what now?
LT, we got armored vehicles incoming. There's 4 of them.
Calm down.
Hassan turned AQ into a fucking army.
All Bravo, Kilo 01 is inbound high. Danger close.
Air support's on station.
Changing secondary.
Kilo 01, gun hit! Gun hit!
We clear?
Fucking hope so.
All clear.
Kilo 01, no movement in the area. Thanks for the assist.
Roger that, 7-6. Kilo 01, going into holding pattern.
7-6. Task a bird for casualty evac.
Roger.
Get yourself sorted. The sun is still the target.
Aye. Let's go get this fucker.
Alpha, you're with us.
Roger that, Lieutenant.
Let's move out.
Those fuckers used us as bait, didn't they?
They're well supplied and fighting smart. Thanks to Hassan.
Aye. Looks like you were right, LT. You think the sun's still here?
Heli crash gave them an opening. Let's see if they took it.
My boys are still on station.
Keep them on standby. We're moving in.
Raj.
Visual on building 3.
That's our target. Hassan could be inside.
Man down!
Keep sniper on the roof. Get down!
Sniper down.
More snipers on the roof. Take them out.
Who's hit? 7-5 is down. How the fuck are they seeing us? HQ's got night vision. We're sitting ducks out here. Another. Good shot. So, keep us covered. We're moving up.
AQ's stuck in here. Whatever they're defending is fucking big.
We're getting shit up out here! 7-5 is down. How the fuck are they seeing us? AQ's got night vision. We're sitting ducks out here.
Got another.
Shot. So, keep us covered. We're moving up.
AQ's pressing hard. If Hassan's not here, what the hell is?
We're getting chewed up out here! We're not getting through here without air support! 7-6, we'll fire on that building now!
Ghost, we don't know if Hassan's in there.
They're forcing our hand. 7-6, hit that building, but don't level it! Kilo 01, call for fire. Target is in the building ahead of us. Do not level the building.
7-6, copy that. Making our run.
Push up to that wall! Move! Glorious sight.
Thank Christ for air support.
Yeah, hope Hassan's still in one piece. Several pieces will do. Easier to find that way. All Bravo, move up. I want this building locked down. Soap, make entry. Let's find Hassan, dead or alive.
Seven 1, moving interior.
Heading into the first deck.
Not Hassan.
Moving in, first deck.
Got your back.
Check the bodies. We need positive ID on Hassan.
Heading into the first deck.
Moving in, first deck.
Hostile down.
Check the bodies. We need positive ID on Hassan.
Tight quarters.
Alpha's interior, first deck. Anyone have eyes on Hassan?
Hassan. One iced.
Negative. No activity.
Negative. No visual on Hassan here.
S-Vest neutralized!
Pushing first deck.
Heading up to the second deck.
Pushing to second deck.
Good call.
Hassan's everywhere.
Everywhere but here. Good job, lads. Sneaky little gets are everywhere. Smoked one.
He was here. This is a bloody op center. Poke arounds.
Look, Hassan's uniform. So he was here.
Lost him when we secured the crash site.
Are you saying we shouldn't have helped?
Choices have consequences.
All Bravo, we got movement out here.
On the way. All Bravo, circle up outside.
If Hassan's gone, then what the hell are they still protecting?
Bloody good question.
What we got? A warehouse. Roll-up doors open. Heard something inside. Copy. Let's clear it.
Contact!
Clear?
All clear.
Search it. Let's find what they were.
What the fuck is this?
It's all in English.
Steaming Jesus.
Ballistic missiles.
It's a mobile launcher.
These will go 1,000 miles.
Yeah, at least.
How the hell did Iran get their hands on this?
7-6. Get us through to Laswell.
Roger, stand by. Bravo 7-6 Charlie to Watcher 1, how copy?
This is Watcher 1, send traffic.
Laswell, this is Ghost. We got something.
Tell me you found Hassan.
Ghost. Take a look at this.
Ghost, do you have Hassan?
Negative. We found a weapons cache. Hassan's got missiles. They're American.
07, this is Gold Eagle. Actual, repeat your last.
I'll say again. Hassan has American missiles.